Dan Olaso ng Zamboanga City. Mga kasama ho natin, Mayor. Live kayo sa RMND, ZXL Manila, si Radyo Man Lourdes.
Hello?
Yes, Mayor. Good afternoon.
Yes, good afternoon, Radyoman Lourdes po ba, ma'am?
Yes, sir. Yes,
Yan,
sir. Opo.
good afternoon, ma'am. Nice
Kumusta
to
ka
talk
naman?
to you, ma'am.
Oo, sir. Kumusta ho kayo?
Ah.
Tinagtad ho kayo ng ng bash ng netizens.
Okay naman, ma'am. Wala po tayong magawa kasi siyempre nabansagan po ako na ako may-ari ng barko, which is hindi naman po talaga. But I'll never deny it na yung asawa ko is a part owner ng company.
Okay.
Being a part owner din, sabi ko nga, hindi naman siyang in charge sa operation ng company. May mga manager po yan, may mga president na nagpapatakbo. And sabi ko nga, bilang isang kapitan ng barko, yung paglubog ng barko, we cannot fully, sabi natin, i-blame sa company because sabi ko nga, may mga opisyal na nagpapatakbo sa barko. Ibig pong sabihin, kapag nasa karagatan na yung barko, that is the full responsibility of the master, the captain, the ship captain. So, sabi ko, i-base natin tulad sa kotse, buyag, timba ko na, halimbawa, nakabangga. Hindi natin pwede i-blame si JNT. Ang i-blame natin, yung nagmamaneho, di ba? Parang ganun po. Ngayon, napunta sa akin ang blame, kaya sabi ko, wala pa akong magagawa, but sabi ko nga, being a city mayor, to apologize kung may nagawa man akong kasalanan or pagkukulang, sabi ko, I'm sorry. Pero sa ko po, wala po ako kasi I'm not connected with the company. Hindi po ako nagtatrabaho sa company. Since I got elected as city mayor, city barangay Kagawa to city councilor to first district representative hanggang naging mayor pa ako. Nung pumasok na ako sa public service, wala na po ako sa company. Dati po naging kapitan po ako dyan.
Mayor
And I love the company.
Opo. Sinasabi nyo na wala kayong responsibilidad, no? Dahil hindi kayo ang correct mo ko, Mayor, dahil hindi naman kayo may-ari nung barko, kundi yung may bahay nyo. Pero di ba kung may bahay po, parang may-ari na rin po kayo kasi may bahay nyo po yun?
Correct, may bahay. Pero ma'am, you don't know what's the deeper thing inside. Even if you check on the SEC, lang siya, investor. But not as the full owner of the company kasi may mga official doon sa loob. Di ba? May mga owners doon. Talaga na nakatalata na may ma-function sa company. Yung wife ko po is negative status. Wala po siya. Investor lang siya nandun. And even though may bahay ko po siya, I'll never deny it, meron kaming prenuptial agreement na pinirma isa't isa. Ever since before we got married. Meron po kami yan. So, what is hers is hers. What is mine is mine.
Okay. Mayor, di ba sabi niyo one time nag-usap tayo na may ilalatag kayong investigation sa konseho? I don't know lang, no, Mayor, kung may independent investigation or ito ba ay nagawa ng konseho po ninyo regarding po dito sa nangyaring insidente?
Actually, ma'am, on our side, we do, nag-investiga kami, what went wrong, ano, no? But it's difficult for us to come up with an answer kasi yung kapitan po namatay, missing. So consider how many days na po wala yung kapitan. Consider na parang hipasa, we can say parang isa sa mga missing crew. So, ewan ko kung namatay siya or ano po ba. But yung second officer, yung duty on watch, he passed away. Namatay po. So, he was recovered. And on my side mo, even though the council will investigate, but sabi ko, wala rin magawa yung council not unless yung national government papasok. Where, as you know now, national government is already investigating. Actually, nandito po kami sa Manila because we have a congressional hearing to attend with. So I think it's let the national government decide kung ano po yung investigation. Kasi if we will investigate on the minor, most likely sabi ko iba talaga yung dito na. Mas maganda yung dito na para they can give concrete action or suggestion on
Oo.
what to do or whom to be blamed.
Mayor, sa tingin niyo ho ba, napasukan na ng politika ang isyong ito?
Well, ma'am, sabi ko nga, sa una pa, definitely, most likely, kasi ang mga bumabana sa akin, ma'am, sa totoo lang, yung mga trolls na galing sa previous mga politicians na lumalabas. So, ang dami. May bumabana din sa akin na netizens. Pero mostly, if you check to it, trolls, I even spoke to the survivors and even to the yung mga nawalan ng pamilya, yung namatayan po. I even apologized what had happened. Sabi ko, walang may gusto. Sabi ko, I don't like things to happen. Kasi sino naman ayaw mangyari to. Kasi mahirap din po kaya, ma'am.
Opo.
Ito like they're accusing na baka lumubog yung barko, pinalubog din sa insurance. Hindi naman siguro mentally din rin yung may-ari na ipapalubog niya din sa insurance. I don't think so na yun ang possible angle. But my point of view, most likely, this incident or accident caused by merely human error. And that human error, that should be determined upon investigation. Ano ba talaga nangyari? Kasi if you come to think, ma'am, even overseas, yung investigation is basically sa crew lahat. Nung naging seaman din ako, nagbabarko pa ako, whatever accident happened on board ship, ang crew ang inimbestiga. Sinong duty that time, sino nagmamando, lahat sa crew. Part din na mayroon din sa sa owners representative and tinatawag natin sa owners of the said company.
Oo, pero Mayor, meron pong binabanggit na yung mga authorities kanina sa press conference dito po. Over o masyadong marami ang pasahero at overcapacity.
I think, ma'am, pertaining to that, tomorrow we can justify. I think mas maganda po, pumunta po kayo sa Congress bukas or send someone to answer that. Bakit po naging overcapacity? Number one, may mga scalpers ng ticket na bumibili ng ticket. May mga bumibili ng ticket, halimbawa, ito si Pedro, bibili siya ng 10 ticket. Pag bili niya ng 10 ticket, ibebenta niya sa labas. Ngayon, pag binenta niya sa labas, definitely ang bibili ng ticket, hindi na yung tunay na pangalan niya na andoon. Kasi yung scalper na bibili ng ticket, dadali niya iba-ibang pangalan eh. So definitely, you can never avoid during the sinking of the vessel and during the claiming of the so-called yung mga assistants, definitely, meron talaga nagtitake advantage. Kaya, kung titignan mo sa record, sobra yung declared na nawala. But if you come to think, marami doon na na yung ticket, hindi pangalan nila, ibang tao. But instead, binigay pa rin sila ng tulong, binayaran pa rin sila.
Mayor, sandali hindi ho kayo kumporme sa sinasabing sobra-sobra sa pasahero?
Hindi na sinasabi na hindi ako conforme, no? Medyo malalim yung natin.
So hindi ho kayo pabor na
on
ito?
my side, hindi po ako pabor na na sabihin mo na marami yung pasahero, not unless proper investigation must be conducted.
But they did.
I cannot decide over it and out. Kasi wala pa, hindi pa ako na-imbestigan, ma'am eh. You cannot judge me right now. And I think I'm not the right person to answer that. You better call Alison if you're gonna ask that. I'm just answering you. My point as a city mayor, ano po yung nagawa namin as city official for sa mga city na naibigay namin na tulong. But other than that, you're digging me on to answer about Alison. I'm giving you some insights. But other than that, pertaining this matter, you can contact Alison Shipping Lines. I think that's the best thing, not me.
Okay, so can we contact your wife, sir? To answer?
Why? Sabi ko nga, my wife is not involved in the operations. Why you contact her? You better contact the operations. My operations manager ang Alison. I think they have a representative tomorrow in Congress. You can contact and talk to them as well.
Okay, sige po. Okay, puntahan ko na lang, Mayor, yung tulong, no? Sabi nyo, kahit nga nagbigay naman ng tulong at yung iba nga doon kahit hindi talaga sila ay nabigyan pa rin ng tulong. Ito po'y galing sa lokal na pamahalaan or sa pamunuan po ng barko?
Actually, ganun yung tulong, ma'am. Yung mode, ginawa namin one-stop shop. Kasi ang ating mahal na Pangulo nagbigay din ng tulong. Ang ating pong mahal na Vice Presidente nagbigay rin ng tulong. So ang local government nagbigay rin ng tulong. So yung Allison Shipping Lines nagbigay rin ng tulong. So sabi ko, kapag hiwalay-hiwalay na gusto mo ng tulong, punta ka sa DSWD. Gusto mo ng tulong, pumunta ka sa Office of the Vice President. Gusto mo ng tulong, pumunta ka ng city government. So malalayo yung mga opisina. So I decided on the day itself, sabi ko, sinong gusto magtumulong, we better do it in one place para lahat ng agencies nandoon, anong problema, nandun kagad. And we can answer whatever we need to answer to the people. Whatever help they need, may bigay po kagad. So, yun ang ginawa namin. Ginawa namin one-stop shop. And Office of the President nagbigay ng 5,000 pesos from DSWD. The city government nagbigay rin kami ng 5,000 pesos with one sack of rice. And then, Office of the Vice President nagtulong din last Monday, nagbigay rin ng mga bigas. And Office of Senator Bongo nagbigay rin ng tulong na kasyasisan sa tayo and bigas din. Then from the local government, guys, nabanggit ko na pala, and yung last thing, Allison, nagbigay rin, nakikita ko, nagbigay rin sila doon.
Pero sir, di ba kapag bumili ng ticket, may insurance talaga yan?
Opo, ma'am. Kapag bumili, alam ko, may insurance yan.
Sir, sabi nyo kanina may mga scalper, no? Sir, ito lang kasi pag sasakay, di ba ng barko, papakita mo yung ticket, pangalan mo, tsaka ID? Hindi ba
Opo.
sa investigation mo lang, sir, hindi ba ginawa yun?
Ma'am, I cannot answer that because that thing, kailangan sumagot dyan si PPA po.
Okay.
Kasi po, hindi po control ng Zamboanga City yung port, that is controlled by the national government. So dapat si PPA po ang sumagot dyan. Then definitely how they come in without ID, how they come in with different names, I don't know how did it happen. I think the right person to answer that is Philippine Port Authority.
Mayor, eto na lang, para ho masagot nyo na rin po agad. Ano po, alam ko, nasabi nyo nga ho kanina, yung iba, political, pinasukan na to. Mayor, meron pong reaction, bakit daw po parang kayo po spokesperson na ng barko?
I never do any spokesperson. You're questioning me and I'm just answering you. You're questioning me, so sinasagot ko lang po kayo. Kaya nga sinabi ko nga kanina, if you have any further questions, you better answer to the company. I'm just answering you as a mayor of Zamboanga City. Ano po yung naririnig ko, sinasabi ko sa inyo. But deeper to that, I cannot anymore, ma'am. You have to answer, ask the company na po. You can contact the company. I think may ano naman sila sa webpage nila. Nandun naman po yung contact number ng company. You can contact them through that number.
Okay. So Mayor, handa na ho kayo sa sa pagdinig. Ano po? At kami po itututok din po dyan, Mayor. Salamat ha, Mayor.
Wala naman. Salamat din po. Thank you.
Thank you. Si Mayor Kaimir Adan Olaso ng Zamboanga City.